So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you my day as always. So first of all, what I have thought of doing today is putting diesel in my Fortuner for the second time since I bought it. Until then I thought of checking Fortuner's last row seats, if I sit there comfortably or not. So I'll show you. So guys, now I am sitting in the last row, but I have to fold this seat so I can sit normally. I will show you. Guys, I have to fold this in order to sit normally, like how people sit in the last row. So guys, now I have folded it and the space is very bad. I just can't sit here. It's very claustrophobic in here. Here is the subwoofer. This is how the back glass looks like. I barely fit in this. Back here the headroom is also very low. Only kids can sit here. No adults can sit here. And guys, I wanted to know if I should make videos in Hindi or English. So please comment down below. So I will make videos accordingly. And in the car I have nothing much to do as always. So I will show you views around me and how the interior looks from the last row. This is how the interior looks from the last row. These glasses are nice for people who are sitting in last row. But this left side mid row seat belt is unusual. Like it should be placed over here, but they placed it here. It looks unusual, but it's okay. What can I do about it? Because of the new Toyota's 48-volt mild hybrid system, there is a huge bump in the last row, which makes it even more uncomfortable to sit. Guys, I also bought a perfume. I will unbox it when I get back to home and I will tell you how it smells like. And I will also try to show you my gym workout when I go to gym. Now I am going to fill diesel. So guys, the diesel is filled. I only filled 1000 rupees diesel. So guys, now I will be unboxing the perfume which I told you about. This is Goodness of Oud by Riffs perfume. So I will unbox it. The packaging is very premium. It's written over here that it's made in UAE. Now let's see how it smells and how it performs. Guys, as you can see, it's raining heavily over here. So there. But still I am doing the unboxing because I want to do it. Now I have opened the upper polythene. This is how the box opens. It looks very premium. For the price point, it's very premium. This is how the bottle looks like. Goodness of Oud by Riffs. This is how the top looks like. The cap is also very heavy, but it's not magnetic. Now I will test atomizer. Atomizer is also very good. It smells like Arabian incense. It smells like Arabian incense and oud and slightly animalic. Now I don't know how it will perform, but the bottle looks and the box looks good. The smell is also good. If you want to buy this perfume, you can go for it. But I don't know about the performance. That I will share the review in evening about the performance. Now I am enjoying the weather. So it's raining, not heavily, but the wind is very strong, which I like. Everyone should be connected with nature, like how I am. I planted this tree because I am very passionate about plants. And here is the perfume which I unboxed. It's getting wet in rain but let it be. Now I will remove water from the plant because if I don't, then it will get root rot. So I have to remove it. So guys, this is the AC outdoor unit. You can eat on it, you can rest your hands on it and enjoy the view which is ahead. And from here you can see park, and there is Palm Beach, the Palm Beach road, which is quite famous in Navi Mumbai. Here is one jamun tree. You can see it's flowering right now. Zoom. Here is another AC outdoor unit. From here also I can enjoy the view to its fullest. Now we will continue when I go to gym. Now I am going to gym. So guys, I am done with the gym and I only did cardio and abs, and if I talk about perfume's performance, then it only lasted for 4 to 5 hours. So guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.